Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to teach you on how you can speed up a video in CapCut PC. So first, go ahead and access the media that you want to speed up into your timeline. There are two ways to adjust video speed. The first is to navigate to the section where you want to speed up and then click on split, which is this icon right here, or you can also select Ctrl+B on your keyboard, then highlight the section. And in the right-hand side, select speed, which is between audio and animation in the top right. Here, you can use a slider to adjust the speed. Values over 1 will speed up the video, while values below 1 will slow it down. For example, setting it to 2 will make it 2 times faster. You'll see the effect immediately. You can always readjust this by selecting the speed up portion of the clip and modifying the speed slider. Another thing you can do is you can go to speed again, but in this time, select the curve that is beside standard. And remember that you need to have CapCut Pro to use this feature. And you'll get different options like custom, montage, hero, and all different options that you can go for. CapCut offers preset curves like this. It will adjust the video in insane speed up. You can also adjust the curve accordingly to achieve your desired effect. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.